Hey, what's up? My name is Roland Sands. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Whites X Roland Sands design boot. For me, this is a riding boot because I don't like the heel. I like to be able to slide my foot on the peg, and I think this boot for riding is perfect for that. And knowing that it does have a Vibram sole and that is a fully replaceable sole. If you wear this sole out, you can literally just go get it replaced. We consider this boot to be an heirloom boot. If you can hold on to this boot long enough, you're gonna pass it down to your kids. It's a non-slip sole, so if you're working in the shop, things gonna give you some nice traction. It's a 5-hole boot with 3 additional speed hooks, so you can lace this thing up really quickly. Comes with 2 different kinds of laces. It comes with a wax lace and a leather lace. So you can pick which lace you want. Both those laces are in black. So this is a murdered out Oxblood boot. The Oxblood chromexial leather is among the highest end leather you can get for a boot. And we were inspired to use the Oxblood from some of our other traditional leather jackets, our Clash, our Ronin that we've sold in Oxblood, and this boot is made to complement those pieces. It'll scratch, it'll wear, it'll do all the things leather's supposed to do, and it'll look more beautiful the more you wear it. And this boot is built for a lifetime. This is a limited edition boot from Whites for RSD specifically. It is available in limited quantities, this specific style. We do have a custom fit program, so if you have an odd foot, we can build a boot to your size. Check out the website, rolandsands.com, and you're gonna get more information on this boot, and hopefully you're gonna end up with a set of these things. Limited edition, get them now while you can. Be hot, like fire. Ha!